Hey guys, welcome to You Can Fix Anything. Today we're going to replace a doorknob. You can see here the BK2030SS model. We're gonna just get this installed today. The current doorknob that's on there is actually broken. So the easiest way to fix this one was just to do a replacement rather than trying to do some other fancy fix. So we're going to go through all the different parts here. It's generally pretty easy to replace a doorknob. You'll see here that first thing I'm going to do is unscrew all the various screws, which in this case there are 4 on the door part, 2 for that plate, and then 2 on the back side of the handle. So you can go ahead and unscrew these, and you can kind of alternate when taking off the handles. Just get like maybe 90% on each side and then finish it off. Just makes it a little bit easier. And so there, once it's unscrewed, you can see it just pulls out. And pull out the back side, pull out the front, and then you can pull out the pin in the middle. And then the other piece is the plate that is on the frame. So easily you can just unscrew this and remove this as well. Nice and easy. You may also see this piece in your installation. Don't worry about it, you're not going to need it if you have this type of door. Next you're going to do is put in the pin. So this, some of these have an adjustable distance, so you can make sure that it's the right distance, and then make sure that the curved part is facing the frame of the door, so when you close it, it can just pull closed without you having to spin the knob. Then you can slide the pieces on. The different knobs, they'll line up, so they should connect pretty easily. Then you'll have some screws. In this box we had 2 different lengths of screws, one longer, one shorter. I'm just kind of seeing how long they are. It looks like the long one is about the size of the thickness of the door, so I'm going to go ahead and install the long ones on this and see that those screw in all the way. For these screws here, you can screw them in as far as you can by hand because they stick out far enough that it's actually kind of hard to put your screwdriver in when they're sticking out. Once you screw them with your hand, you'll be able to get the screwdriver in there. All right, and we're going to screw in the screws on the plate on the outside. Finish that up. And the last thing we'll do is we'll screw on the plate that is on the frame of the door. And there you have it. All right, you have your new doorknob installed. So thanks for watching. If you found anything useful, please like and subscribe.